WT-safe installation demonstration for UWB. Proximity warning system. The standard configuration of the UWB forklift proximity warning system consists of the host audible warning lights, remote control IC card, wireless speed sensor, ranging antenna, mainline and installation kit. Prepare relevant installation tools and materials in advance. Precautions. There are two main bodies in the system. One is the ranging base station, and the other is the ranging tag. Install the host on the forklift and set the alarm distance range through the remote control. When the staff wearing the tag approaches the alarm operating range of the operating vehicle, the host receives the information and triggers the warning light, issue an audible and visual alarm to remind the driver and pedestrians. If the throttle controller is also selected, when the distance between people and vehicles is too close, the system can automatically decelerate and stop the forklift and ensure safety. The installation diagram of the system is as follows. Installation of host. Put the ranging antenna on the spool fork on the top of the host and turn it tightly. It is recommended to use a universal bracket to install the host on the right arm in front of the forklift tab. The host installation should be following 2 points. The specific installation steps are as follows. Installation of warning light. The audible warning light is installed on the overhead guard of the forklift and fixed by screws. Installation of wireless sensor. The wireless speed sensor is installed on the hub or axis of the vehicle wheel and is glued firmly by AB glue. Installation steps. The sensor installation position is on the right or by system default. That is the wheel on the right-hand side, where the driver is in the driving position. Installation of electronic throttle controller. At the accelerator pedal position, find the accelerator signal line of the vehicle and cut it. Generally, a vehicle has 2 accelerator signal lines. In idling state, one is above 0.7 volt, the other is above 0.35 volt. Wiring and power connection. The aviation head of the main trunk line is connected with the end of the host. The main trunk line has 3 branch lines with waterproof connectors, which are labeled respectively. The branch line labeled is connected to the warning light. The branch line of the label is connected to the throttle control. The branch line labeled is vacant. The branch line without a waterproof connector on the main trunk line is the power cord. It contains 3 thin wires, red, black and white. Connect the red wire to the ignition key switch and the black wire to the battery negative terminal, and the white wire ACC is cut and not connected. we can get electricity rectilinear, ignition key switch or the forklift conversion power supply. This video mainly demonstrates the latter. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage of the forklift. Find out the positive and negative poles of the forklift power supply and connect them respectively to the red, black wires. Wrap the interface with insulating tape. After finishing the exterior wiring with protective bellows, tie it tightly to the iron frame with cable pass. Debugging. Wheel diameter parameter calibration. Measure the diameter of the wheel. Use the remote control to press the wheel diameter. Enter the wheel diameter and press to confirm. Speed parameter setting. Anti-collision parameter setting. The host can be set the relevant parameters according to the actual need, and the ranging tech can transmit signals to the device host after turning on. After starting the vehicle, confirm that the device does not prompt any fault information, and that the speed limit, collision avoidance and other functions are operating normally, and the vehicle can be handed over to the administrator or driver.